video.
Gusto nyo palakpakan po muna natin ating PJ. Palakpakan po muna natin ang ating Jota Jazz. And now, alright, and please help me welcome Jody and Happy. Ayan po na, and ayan po na, and everybody po muna, let's sing po muna ang Jolly Birthday song for our birthday celebration. Later on po na magpapakitang gilas ang ating PJ tayo transfer later on. Reminder ang mga Ate Ala to visit po tayo on the side. Ate Ala, may transfer nga tayo, Ate Ala. Once again, may request our birthday celebrant to visit on that side because we will sing a Jolly Birthday song for our birthday celebrant. Ayan po na.
30.
Sabi po, members are going to please stand up. As reminders, members are going to please stand up kasi kasi nagkakantahan ng Jolly Birthday si Ate Ala. And now everyone, can you please help me sing a Jolly Birthday?